Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy Kai in Weapon Fighting Simulator. To start, always prioritize farming during active Kai events, as these provide massive multipliers to your gains. Concentrate your efforts on defeating Kai chests and bosses in the highest world, where you can consistently one-shot enemies. Remember to activate all your available Kai and damage boosts at the same time for maximum efficiency. To truly maximize your Kai, stack every multiplier you can. Equip both a map pet and a dedicated Kai pet, as these can provide hundreds of % in bonus Kai. Always keep Kai boost and damage boost potions active. They multiply everything you earn. Don't forget to wear the Trinity gear, which alone adds an impressive 105% to your Kai gain. Efficient farming involves smart techniques. Use the auto-fight feature on Kai chests in a zone where you can one-shot them for continuous passive income. Boss farming is incredibly lucrative, especially during Kai events. Use your boss keys on the hardest boss you can defeat. Additionally, playing with friends can grant you an extra 10% or more Kai boost, making group play highly beneficial. For advanced Kai generation, seek out specific enhancements. The Kai Stolen passive spell is a must-have, providing a 67% extra Kai bonus. Completing Chestbreaker achievements can cumulatively add up to 50% more Kai. For those looking for the ultimate boost, game passes such as the 2x Kai and 3x Kai passes offer significant, stackable multipliers, leading to billions of Kai.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.